Woo-hoo! Who are you?
Sophie.
Sophie, what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Was this his idea?
Yeah.
Always blame the man when you can, right?
Yep.
Any last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it?
No.
Nothing. For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, and phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out of Skydive, have some fun. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah! Here we go, guys. Let's get in, get up, and get out. Holy cow, that's crazy. Here we go. Watch your head. Back. What do you think?
That was fun.
Fun stuff, right?
Yep.
High five right there. Next time I'll let you open the parachute.
Alright.
Great skydive.
Yeah. Woo.